Ugh. Oh, it's you, the people who are watching this video. Allow me to introduce myself. The name's Big Bird from Sesame Street. And let me give you a little disclaimer before the video starts. The following video contains rates and a thank you dubs. It is not used as an original voice actor. I know I'm supposed to be eating my birdseed and playing with Snuffy right now, but anyways, enjoying the scene where Bear sneaks on Tutter, but where Bear has Cleo Lawrence's voice and Tutter has Anger's voice. I better get back while eating my birdseed. Enjoy the video.
What's that? Good. Bless you.